Gravity, magnetosphere, its rings and its structure. Cassini kept gathering data right up until the last moment of its life, as it plunged into the mustard-colored clouds of Saturn's atmosphere and ultimately broke apart into thousands of tiny fragments. This final act wasn't just the end of a machine. It marked the culmination of one of the most ambitious space missions humanity has ever attempted. Couple that with the fact that Cassini provided some of the most jaw-dropping, awe-inspiring images of Saturn and the solar system ever recorded, and you have one incredible mission. I'm Alex Molan, and you're watching Infinity Beyond. Join me today as we embark on this Cassini supercut, retracing its grand finale, the period of time before the dive, what it discovered in its last moments, and how its data continues to inspire groundbreaking discoveries to this day. If you want to see Saturn's majestic beauty, there's no better way than through the eyes of Cassini. The first probe to reach Saturn was Pioneer 11 in 1979. That was when scientists confirmed that Saturn's largest moon, Titan, had a substantial atmosphere. But it was Cassini-Huygens that gave us the real tour. It traveled for nearly 7 years before reaching Saturn in 2004, after a slingshot trajectory that took it past Venus, Earth, and Jupiter. Cassini didn't just fly by, it became an orbiter. For over 13 years, it looped around Saturn 294 times, studying the planet, its rings, its magnetic field, and more than 60 of its moons. Alongside it, the Huygens probe separated and became the first and only lander to touch down on a moon in the outer solar system, Titan. In its journey, Cassini discovered geysers of water ice erupting from the moon Enceladus, indicating a subsurface ocean and the potential for microbial life. This tiny moon, once overlooked, became one of the prime targets in the search for extraterrestrial habitability. No other mission had ever hinted at such possibilities so far from the Sun. Cassini also gave us unprecedented detail on the structure of Saturn's rings. We learned they are made of billions of particles, ranging from micrometers to meters in size, each with its own orbit, forming waves, divisions, and patterns that dance to the rhythm of Saturn's gravity and its many moons. By the end of its mission, Cassini had orbited Saturn for over a decade, collected hundreds of thousands of images, and generated data that would become the foundation for more than 4,000 scientific research papers. Its legacy is monumental, not just in astronomy, but in our culture and imagination. And yet the mission was not just about science, it was about wonder. It was about that moment when we saw Saturn's hexagonal storm, perfectly symmetrical, spinning like a cosmic whirlpool. Or when we saw Earth as a pale blue dot through Saturn's rings, a haunting reminder of our fragility. But why end the mission by crashing Cassini into Saturn? The reason was simple: planetary protection. Cassini was running low on fuel. NASA feared that if it were left to drift, it might crash into a potentially life-bearing moon like Enceladus or Titan, contaminating it with Earth microbes. By guiding it into Saturn's atmosphere, they ensured a clean end, preserving the integrity of other worlds for future explorers. Infinity Beyond presents this saga not just as a series of scientific events, but as a testament to what humanity can achieve when we look up and dare to explore. Cassini didn't just send data, it sent back awe. Stay with us as we move into the second segment, the dive, Cassini's final orbits.